Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about ProfitContact. This is by Mike Mackay and it's out now. And basically it's a WhatsApp messaging system that promises that you can send unlimited messages directly to phones of 2 billion people at a low one-time price. So guys, as usual, I'll go through the product, I'll show you inside, we'll come back to the sales page, I'll point out a couple of things on the sales page, and then I'll give you an overview of what the OTOs are on this particular product. So these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is that you can just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and try to purchase any kind of software like this online. Just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, basically this is a WhatsApp messaging system. They're going to give you a lot of information on the open rates of WhatsApp, because the only way that helps you is if you've actually got people that are connected with you on WhatsApp that want to open your messages. So this is designed for newbies. So I'm going to look at it from a newbie point of view and see if you can actually make money using this type of product. So the front end price is $16.93. There is some offer on here that allows you to get $2 off. But essentially you're going to pay about $14 for this particular product. So the idea is you log into the stunning cloud-based software. There's nothing for you to set up whatsoever. You configure or host. We give you your own WhatsApp SMTP server and a dedicated IP. You upload your contact list or let the app find red hot phone leads right away, and then step 3, you relax as ProfitContact plus any message to thousands and thousands of people, making you a lot of money. And really the first thing to say about this type of software is that WhatsApp itself is not an interface that really is built for marketing. So any kind of messages you would send from an interface like this are really just spam messages, because people don't expect to be marketed on their devices. The second thing to say is that unless you have a big following on WhatsApp, these types of softwares are going to do nothing for you if you're a complete beginner. The reason is because you've got nobody to send a message to. You've got to use some common sense here, guys, that if you haven't got a big list of people, who are you going to send messages to? These types of softwares are completely useless unless you've got a big following on that particular application. Having said that, if you have got a following on that application, then potentially you could use this to send out messages to those folks. That's kind of the only way I can see any benefit of this. The whole point about being able to make thousands of dollars with this really is mute if you've got nobody on that particular application. In essence, what this is doing is this has just got a dashboard showing you the various messages that have been sent. You have the WhatsApp connection here where you connect your own phone. That's pretty easy to do. It's just a QR code and you can come along here and you can connect a phone app. The next thing is you can set an autoresponder, which actually if somebody connects with you, you can set it so it'll either individually or with a group send out autoresponder messages to those folks, and you can set them all up here. After that, you have a bulk messaging functionality where you can go ahead and create a message to send to people. First thing you need to do is have a contact group set up. Then you can go ahead and create a campaign with one of those contact groups and basically build a messaging here and then go ahead and schedule that message. And then you can have various other schedules here where you can add new search schedules to have your campaign sent out at a certain time. Next thing is you have a chatbot function here, but again, if somebody comes along and they type in a certain keywords like buy or something, the idea is that you will be able to set up a very, very simple chatbot that will respond to them instantly. Again, you can do that by individual or by group. And then you have this function here, which is the ability to export the participants, but there's no real training on here about how you end up doing that. If I go to the training function here and I have a look around, nothing on here talks about how you get extra leads. If I go back to the actual sales page, it says here specifically that it will allow you to get multiple leads, upload your contacts list, or let the app find red hot phone leads right away. There's no way that you can do that in this application from what I can see. So there must be something here that I'm missing. But essentially, guys, if you go ahead and scrape phone numbers from whatever source without having their permission to have their phone numbers collected by you, you're breaking the law, and also people are not going to respond in the way you want them to. You think you're going to end up sending your link out to some of these random done-for-you offers they've created, which again are some of the products that they are actually selling. So basically what they're doing on this particular application is they are getting you to promote their products using your WhatsApp account. Then nobody is going to suddenly click on your fabulous link out of the blue and go and buy. The percentages of people that do that are very, very low, guys. So this whole thing, to me, only makes any sense if you've got some kind of WhatsApp group that you want to manage remotely from your PC. And in that case, if that's what they were selling, then I'd say fine, this looks like a nice little tool that you could use, and there's no real issues with it in particular. Now, the other things you can do on here when I'm looking around is you have an account manager on here. Basically, that's which of the WhatsApp profiles you've got connected here. You have your file manager here, which is where all of your various pictures and things that you've uploaded are kept, and you can go ahead and collect them all here. You have a caption here. We can go ahead and load up your various captions for your bot, etc. And then you have a messaging system here, which only seems to be working at the pro level. They're allowing you to message out to your particular contacts, which again, I couldn't quite get what they were doing. Now, when I look at this, they're using a service called Twilio, which when I look at the pro level, it's $37, which looks like a one-off cost. So I would be kind of suspicious at how they're paying for this, because you can't send WhatsApp messages out, SMS messages, without using a service like Twilio, which if you look at the prices on a service like Twilio, is not cheap, especially when you start sending out multiple messages. So local numbers are 0.075 cents, and then it goes up to 1 cent if you're receiving calls, if they're pictures. So it can be quite pricey. So I'd be interested to see how the cost model looks like on this, and whether you're going to run out of credits very quickly. At the end of the day, you're not going to be messaging that many people out. They know that, and they're banking on that by offering this out, because if you started messaging 1 billion people, and this is all through the system, it would cost them a fortune. So there's an open question on that about how they're actually paying for this. They're saying it's through this Pro Edition upsell for the messaging. My overall message on this at the moment is, if you haven't got existing people on your WhatsApp message, this isn't going to get you anybody extra. I'm just going to jump back to the sales page. But so again, this is typical of these types of vendors at the moment when you look at things like social proof. Now, we want to see these types of testimonials, and we want to see them from real people, and you want to make sure they're genuine, because obviously if this does work and it's been beta tested by these guys, then you'd expect them to give it a positive response. Unfortunately, when you come to these guys, these vendors' sales pages, basically what they do is they copy and paste the previous sales page over to this product, irrespective of what kind of product it is, and they use the same testimonials. How do I know that? Just go to their previous product called Get Profit Writer or Profit Writer. Just look at some of these testimonials here. Janine Koha, she's a beta tester that's used both these products. Profit Writer has enabled me to start a thriving online business. When I come back to this page, ProfitContact has enabled me to start a thriving affiliate marketing business. This is by Wayne Watts. If you go through these various lines, you'll see that there's the same testimonials. They've just been slightly reworded for the new product, which gives me no confidence in these guys. They need to make up their testimonials to make their product any good, because if it was any good, they'd just have genuine testimonials like a professional brand would. The other thing to mention, as usual, if you look at this, here's proof from our business that this software delivers easy, fast traffic and commissions. ProfitContact, look at these numbers here. Go back to Profit Writer. Here's proof from our business that this software writes copy and scripts that sell the same financial proof. Guys, I don't want to say it, but this is complete BS. These guys are very, very dishonest on their sales page, and I don't care what this product is like. I would not buy off people like this at all at any stage. So guys, that's my review of ProfitContact. I will leave you information about the OTOs in the description below. I'm not going to spend my time going through them because I'm not going to recommend this product to you. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time guys, take care.